everyone, you're watching India TV and right now we are at Vogue Wedding Atelier. ये एक ऐसा मेला है समझिए जहां आपको आपकी शादी से रिलेटेड सब कुछ मिलेगा, यानी कि ये एक ऐसा वन शॉप डेस्टिनेशन है जहां यू कैन फाइंड दी वेडिंग लहंगास. आई विल बी टेकिंग यू टू दी डिफरेंट पवेलियंस. अलग अलग डिज़ाइनर्स के पास हम जाएंगे, उनके एक्सक्लूसिव कलेक्शंस को जो सिर्फ आपके लिए यहाँ पर शोकेस किए गए हैं दिखाएंगे. एंड विद द ब्लेंड ऑफ सेम ओल्ड ट्रेडिशन, टाइमलेस एंड क्लासिक पीसेस, वो हम उनसे जानेंगे. सो प्लीज फॉलो मी. मैरिजेस आर मेड इन हेवन, और उस शादी को बेहतर बनाने के लिए, खूबसूरत बनाने के लिए, बड़ा बनाने के लिए, एक्स्ट्रावेगेंट बनाने के लिए वोग एक आइडिया, एक कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ आया है. और इस पर बात करने के लिए इस वक्त मेरे साथ मौजूद हैं रोशेल पिंटो, जो वोग की एडिटर भी हैं. रोशेल, सबसे पहले तो ये जो आपका आइडिया है वोग का, ये जो मैरिज एटलियर है, इसके बारे में बताइए.
द वोग वेडिंग एटलियर, ये हमारा बड़ा आइडिया है इस साल के लिए, एंड दिस इज़ रियली कम टुगेदर. इट्स लाइक अ ड्रीम. व्हाट वी वांटेड टू डू वाज ब्रिंग इंडियाज़ बेस्ट ब्राइडल डिज़ाइनर्स, मनीष मल्होत्रा, Sabyasachi, all of the names that everybody loves under one roof. India's best jewelers, all the wedding services. We want to make it convenient for our brides, but we also want to make it very special. When they come here, they have to feel like they are in a garden. They have to feel like they are in paradise and really experience the Vogue universe.
इस वक्त मैं हूँ संदीप खोसला, अबू संदीप के पूरे एरिया में. लेकिन इस बार जो आपने डिजाइन्स यहाँ पे शोकेस किए हैं, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी ब्राइट कलर्स. कैन यू टॉक अबाउट दैट?
For men, we've done all this lovely mirror work, which is Abu Jani's was the original for the last 37 years. We did our first mirror bride 37 years ago. Reema Jain, Raj Kapoor's daughter, we done a mirror piece for her. But now we've revived it a couple of years ago. Whenever we do it, it always sells.
देखिए, जो ओल्ड है वही गोल्ड है और वो बिक भी रहा है. और ओल्ड और गोल्ड की झलक आपको मॉडर्न टच के साथ नज़र आ रही है. और यही मॉडर्न टच जो है आपको इस तरफ, अगर ब्राइडल कलेक्शंस की बात करें, वाइब्रेंट कलर्स हैं, लेकिन उसमें एथनिसिटी है, कल्चर है, हेरिटेज है, और साथ ही वो मॉडर्न टच भी है.
We've continued the mirror from there to here. This is typically for a mother. Then we've got the bride, and then you've got a sister. It's the whole family. It's not just one person who's getting married. It's red with lovely Rasian colors. Because sometimes girls don't only want to wear gold. They want to wear colors. So then, we also like color. We've always liked color. So Abu Dhabi brand is always known for its color.
You said white, no? So that white is also.
होना ही है. होना ही है.
That is the staple statement design.
And this is called Bakhia. It's very close to our chicken curry. But it's just one stitch of that, not many stitches of that.
ये आपको एक कलेक्शन को, या फिर मैं एक इंडिविजुअल अगर डिज़ाइन की बात करूँ, लहंगे की बात करूँ, उसे बनाने में कितना वक्त लगता है? कारीगरी किस तरह से?
I think over 2 months approximately. A month and a half, 2 months.
60 days.
60 days. तो लगता ही है.
What tips would you like to give to our viewers if there is any bride watching us looking for a good lehenga or maybe for a good design?
Don't ever overthink it. Just go with the flow. Enjoy yourself. It's your day. You have to have fun.
When we talk of weddings, तो ये सब कुछ अधूरा है खूबसूरत टाइमलेस ज्वेलरी के बिना. और आज हम मौजूद हैं सुनीता शेखावत जयपुर स्टोर में. अगर मैं कलेक्शन की बात करूं, जो इस बार ट्रेंड चेंज हुआ है खासकर ज्वेलरी में, उसको ध्यान में रखते हुए आपने कैसे अपना कलेक्शन डिज़ाइन किया है? और कुछ टाइमलेस क्लासिक पीसेस भी हमें दिख रहे हैं.
ब्राइड वही है, पर्सन इज सेम, बट रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैव चेंज ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. सी लाइक टुडे यू आर इन योर वर्क attire. In the evening, if you want to go to a party, definitely you would want to wear something different. So मुझे लगता है इंसान वही है, पर्सन इज सेम, occasions have changed, and so has the design evolved over the period of time.
This looks very interesting.
Yes, yes.
If not on a wedding day, but yes, on a cocktail or maybe
Cocktail,
haldi
yes.
function for different.
Exactly,
So
exactly.
what is the idea? How did you design this? Or can you?
Yeah,
talk-
definitely,
talk about
definitely.
this, please.
So this is inspiration of a bougainville, which is a floral motif. And आज भी अगर ज्योत्सना आप if you'll go on a Pinterest or if you'll Google, you will not find a single jeweled bougainville jewelry on the net. So ये बड़ा मतलब एक बहुत ही अलग तरह का इंस्पिरेशन था, बिकॉज फ्लोरल हैज़ बीन माई फेवरेट मोटिव. एंड इसका इंस्पिरेशन था फ्रॉम जोधपुर उमेद भवन पैलेस का जो बैक यार्ड है,
Right,
जो कोर्ट यार्ड है, दैट हैज़ गॉट ऑल ब्यूटिफुल ऑल शेड्स ऑफ बोगनविल.
कलर्स यू वर टॉकिंग, तो बहुत सारा यहाँ पर कलर्स के साथ क्रिएटिविटी नज़र आ रही है. प्लस द गुड पार्ट इज़ दैट सुनीता, दैट देयर इज़ सो मच इंडियननेस टू योर पीसेस.
This is our Navratna collection, so you'll see all the 9 stones representing all the 9 planets.
Come on, baby, dance with me.
The famous husband-wife designer duo who took everybody by storm through their beautiful, elegant and modern collections, Falguni and Shane Peacock. Falguni is with us. Falguni, first of all, many congratulations for the beautiful designs that you have showcased here. Your signature design, your peacock, your feathers, metals, gems, everything, and pearls, everything is visible here. Can you take our viewers through these designs that you have showcased, and what was the idea behind it?
So this year the collection, it was inspired by a royal palace, and it's a lot of jewelry which is there in the outfit with jewel tones, what a Maharaja would wear, a Maharaja, Maharani would wear. And India is so rich in culture, jewelry is beautiful in our country. So we thought, why not have this? This is one of the, our entire Fashion Week collection, our Couture Week collection had a beautiful garden of a palace. And we wanted to portray a lot of birds and in our artistic form. So that's how we've done this. And then we've added a metal detail, which is a metal heart with the birds. If you see, they're like really beautifully crafted.
What I see here is lots of pastels, lot of pink hues and greens and maybe blues, and feathers are also visible. But there are brides who might want something typically in red. कुछ को सिर्फ लाल ही पसंद आता है.
Exactly like what would go with the beautiful polki and the kundan jewelry which India is known for. So we've kept it all monotone with red and gold so that you can wear a lot of color on the neck. And I feel like there are girls who really have decided that I want to do a red, but there are girls who want to do pinks, who want to do ivories. So there are very different kind of brides,
Go to their section as well.
Okay, let's go to that.
We're just walking and showing you everything that they have.
Something which is like almost like a beautiful, you can say like a beige cream shade, which is, it has the peacocks and it has the birds and it has got these cream pearl tassels.
These days, apart from the wedding functions, there are so many functions, जैसे मेहंदी, haldi, cocktail. So you have sorted those requirements also through this fish cut.
Yeah, I would say something like this would be just appropriate for the bride's sister, And family is also sorted. We have saris. In fact, this time we have worked on Banarasi saris, which I want to talk about, which are so close to my heart. So this sari has a peacock border. It's got our FSP's logo, the brand. It's got the lotuses. Very subtle, but once draped, it looks just stunning.
And it has got a beautiful blouse also.
Yes,
The upper
yeah,
thing.
yeah. The blouse is also, so if someone doesn't want to do a beaded blouse, we do have the Banarasi fabric, the blouse as well. But this is a beaded blouse, which is our imagination of how a Banarasi sari can be worn.
And also, I think it is appropriate for the functions like wedding and uplifting the whole sari.
Yeah, yes.
If I talk of men collections, you have like a great different varieties for men as well. For men who are looking for heavy maximalist look, उसका भी option है. Minimal वालों के लिए भी option है. So why not talk this color? Because मैंने आजकल बड़े सारे grooms को ये इस तरह के palettes के color पहने.
I think, 3 years back, my grooms were not so, like, they wanted something which was very simple, understated. But now the groom wants equal time, and wants me to put in that effort to create something special for him, and which is really fun because I feel so much inspiration to do something new for them because they're interested. Eventually, if you're not interested, then you want to just do something simple. But they are interested. Like if you see this one has the elephant detail, and it's got that kalash detail. So there is a lot of, but still we've not made it out and out traditional, We've given it a modern twist with the colors.
And good things doesn't come free and easy. You have to pay a price. तभी वो इंटरनेशनल फोरम पर जब हम अपने डिज़ाइनर्स और अपने भारत की परचम की बात करते हैं वो तभी लहरेगा और तभी जो वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज़ के लोग हैं वो इंडियन कल्चर, इंडियन डिज़ाइंस, इंडियन डिटेलिंग्स की तरफ इन्फ्लुएंस होंगे. थैंक यू सो मच फाल्गुनी फॉर टॉकिंग टू अस. कहते हैं हीरे की पहचान जौहरी को होती है और ऐसे एक ऐसे जौहरी के पास इस वक्त मैं मौजूद हूँ. I am with Sanjay Gupta. You are based in Hyderabad and you must be getting queries and demands for temple jewelry.
Yes, all kinds of jewelry. Yes, especially temple jewelry. Hyderabad is famous for temple jewelry, and like since it's a state of Nizams, so he was very interested in jewelry. So real jewelry, so especially emeralds, uncut diamonds, and Basra pearls. So we get a lot of queries on those things.
And that love of Nizams for jewelry is reflected here also. Yes. Can you please talk about these statement pieces?
Yeah, this is a Mangai Mala and this is a Magri Mala. The South Indians, it's a must for them. And this is on the wedding, one of the function in the wedding. And this is these are the arrangement of all the jadabillas put together and made a fine neck piece.
What are jadabillas?
Jadabillas are they should put on the bun, on the plant.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, it was a must kind of thing those days. So you find so many pieces. So this is the collection over the period, and then we have paired it and arranged it in a good form of neck piece.
But I see so many artifacts also, and this famous Krishna Ji ka
Singhasan. It is also part of collection. Very, very old and very nicely done with gem sets like Burmese rubies are there, Colombian emeralds are there,
Right.
Burmese sapphires are there. So
And the Sikka trademark is not left here. I've spent few years in Hyderabad, so I'm aware of the Sikka thing, the jewelry and the craziness for it. So it's not missing. People see it's here. Can you talk about this?
yeah, even this is like the coin and the kundan combination. Even that's the heritage piece. So yeah, so most of the South Indian pieces they're very traditional, part with mostly with rubies, uncut rubies, gold, that one.
I've been searching high and low for a place to let it go. I just wanna lose control. Baby, we should let it go.
When you talk of luxury, couture, good fits and good colors, एक ही नाम दिमाग में आता है JJ Valaya collection.
Come on, baby, dance with me.
And indeed, it is an honor to be here, standing next to Mr. Valaya, and seeing his collection firsthand. If I talk of this particular collection, मैं बहुत सारे pavilions होकर आई हूँ. They have so much of reds, ivories, whites, pastel palettes.
Well, this is our all-new collection, and all the colors that you mentioned also we have. It's just that we have a space restriction here, so we've put out only our masterpieces. Therefore, you will see the reds, but you'll also see the blacks. You'll also see the ivories. So there's a medley of colors here, just to show people that what are the possibilities of what we do. But obviously, it's in our flagship stores and other stores that one sees the entire range. Our focus has always been on fine craft, because I think that's what India is really known for. And we make sure that we modernize craft and make it relevant to today.
And the Prime Minister of India also talks about craftsmanship, and to make the local things global by being vocal about it.
Yeah.
And I think you, as a designer, and the legacy that you have been carrying, doing wonders to the Indian craftsmanship.
No, I have always believed in that. In fact, I've always maintained and said it many times on press as well that we have to get over our Gora hangover. This India is easily poised to become one of the greatest countries. It is heading there slowly, surely, in very solid steps. We'll be the third largest economy soon. I think under the PM's leadership, we've gone from strength to strength. And the pride in being Indian and really propagating the made in India sort of concept is an all-time high. I'm so glad. I've always believed in that. So for me, this is a very natural process.
And if we talk of your bridal collection, what different it is this time from last year or maybe previous year's collection?
You've got to remember one thing. When it comes to the top brands of the countries, it's not about what's different. You're competing against yourself. So every year I look at what I did last year and what can I do which makes it even more special. And every year I feel very satisfied that I've taken a step forward. So that's what it is. We are very clear. Our story is a story of Indian craft. However, we have to reinvent it and represent it to make it relevant to the present generation. That's what we do.
Standing tall is important, but maintaining that height is more important. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अब एक level के बाद वो ज़्यादा difficult हो जाता है.
I think देखो हमारे को we have been in this trade now 33 years. It's been a while. But it's something I thoroughly enjoy. And when you enjoy something, you never feel that, it's something that you really got to work hard for. It comes from the soul, it comes from passion. And whatever we create, we know that we are the best.
Since you are a very seasoned designer, you have been designing, couture for so many people. What advice you will give to the coming brides or maybe grooms?
Don't listen to too many people. Listen to yourself. Stand in front of the mirror. It never lies. You have to look at yourself. You have to feel how you feel. Not how you look. You have to feel how you look. And वो उसमें एक बहुत सेंसिटिव चीज़ है. ये आप एक ब्राइड का वैसे भी एक बहुत important moment होता है वो. It's a very emotional driven moment. And then you want to look and feel the part. So please feel it. Don't listen to 20 friends, cousins, stylists, uncles, aunts. Make your own decision and don't overdo your styling. यानी कि मेकअप भी ज़्यादा, jewelry भी ज़्यादा, hair में भी ज़्यादा. So the art of balance.
Thank you so much, and that is reflected all over here.
So free, moving to the beat. Come on, baby.
If you're looking for something contemporary, something different, something statement, something with good bold prints and a mix of fusion, this is one stop place for you.
I'm moving on, I'm so done trying. I'm not addicted to your love.
Yes, we are here at Masaba, and Masaba is with us. रेड से शुरू करते हैं. दिस इज़ आई थिंक ज़्यादातर ब्राइड्स का फेवरेट कलर है, बट यू हैव लाइक योर डिज़ाइन स्पीक्स mixed it with different colors, and there is a fusion plus bold prints.
Yes, in fact, this is my favorite piece from the whole collection. I think that brides are becoming very bold in their choices, but they still want to be very rooted to their culture and tradition. So red is such a strong part of an Indian wedding. But I just thought that House of Masaba has the opportunity to do something different, do something that is a little bit offbeat but still very, very Indian in its essence. So there's lots of work here. We've done beautiful khidkis, there's panels, you have tissue inserts, and you have lovely tall embroidery that's happening. A very sexy blouse, because as we know, brides are becoming more experimental with the kind of work they do. And I think we take a lot of pride in our dupattas and our veils. हमारे दुपट्टे जो हैं, they're lightweight, but at the same time they're ornate, because I think people do want something that's a statement. So even with that one, if you see, there's a veil and it's got a trail in the back, but you can also style it with a second dupatta.
Can you please tell our viewers about specially designed this color?
One of my most favorite pieces from the collection. It's actually all shades of gold, copper, brown in a tissue form. And it's got these embroideries in these khidkis, which are all vintage pankhas. So from the times of Maharajas and Maharanis, you had pankhas that were used. So we just thought, how do we do that in our own version? In fact, this also, if you see, has a lovely inverted pankha right at the bottom. So there's panels, shades of red, and you have this whole chandelier-like embroidery that's happening there. So I think last season हमारा key motive था the Son Chidiya, and this year it's the pankha, and of course our palm is always present in everything that we do.
और एक बहुत अच्छा मैसेज जब मैं एंटर कर रही थी इस पवेलियन में, तो आपकी तरफ से लिखा गया सब्र शुक्र सुकून, और वो सब्र शुक्र सुकून आपकी पर्सनालिटी में और आपके इन डिज़ाइंस में रिफ्लेक्ट होता है. तो हाउ हैज़ these three words change your life and describe who you are and what your designs are?
I think more than anything, it's more a state of mind that I'm in right now. I'm learning to be patient with a lot of things. I'm a new mother, so I think I'm very grateful for that. And Sukoon is peace, because eventually after doing all this, I go back home to my family. So
Thank you so much.
thank you.
That's a wrap for us at Wedding Atelier, but not a wrap for you. So if you want to see more such entertaining content, please watch India TV. See you. Bye-bye. Take care.